This is a torque wrench, also called a tension wrench. It tightens bolts and nuts using the drive on the end, which takes any sockets and accessories found in an ordinary socket set. What makes this a special way to tighten fasteners is a scale that allows how tightly the nut or bolt is being done up. This head bolt is being tightened to a specific torque recommended by the manufacturer as being tight enough to ensure that the nut won't come loose, and the parts are held together firmly, but not so tight as to risk breaking the bolt or stripping its threads. Manufacturers don't specify torque settings for every nut and bolt, but when they do, it's important, and that's why the torque wrench is such an important tool. The pipe wrench grips pipes and tubes, and it can exert a lot of force to turn them. Putting more pressure on this wrench tightens its grip more and more. The jaws are hardened and serrated, and increasing the pressure also increases the risk of marking or even gouging metal from the pipe. A wheel brace is a specialized wrench. This model has 4 different sockets, one on each arm. Never hit or jump on a wheel brace when loosening wheel nuts. If the brace won't remove them, use an impact tool. When using the wheel brace, the force provided with your hands is adequate to secure the nuts properly. This specialized wrench is an oil filter removing tool, which gives that extra leverage when oil filters are tight.